Hey everyone, Gil or Grayman Prepping. On today's episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about safety equipment, also called PPE, personal protective equipment. Now, I know I've mentioned it in many live streams and in some other posted videos, as well as I mentioned it once before here. You need to have a proper amount of personal protective equipment or safety equipment on hand, because you never know when you're going to be doing something that's going to require it, and if you don't have it, you may wind up getting injured. Using a drill press, drilling with a power drill, using a saw to cut wood, using a cutoff saw to cut metal, using a torch to cut metal, welding, using a chainsaw. All these require safety equipment to protect you from being injured. So think about all the different things you do or might be doing, and what safety equipment you're going to need to keep you from getting hurt. Another example of something is like you go to the range. You're going to need hearing protection. You're going to need special safety glasses, and if you require these other than reading glasses, if you require regular glasses to see, are you going to be wearing contacts under your safety glasses, or are you going to have the safety glasses that'll fit over your eyeglasses? So there's a lot to consider. You don't have to go run out right now and spend several $100s on stuff. But start thinking about it, writing down what you need to get, and look for it on sale. All right. So stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing, and safety equipment. Also, learn a new skill every month. And if you can, plant an indoor garden, because you don't want to be eating the stuff from the store.